Guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new, my name is Din and I'm going to show you how to prepare your ingredients, mix the spices and then cook the dish. Very simple method I'm going to use, so please follow the instructions carefully. So let's cook. My two friends have joined us today, Jose and Coty. They've come to get a free cooking lesson, and they're going to learn how to do the prep. So let's begin. We're going to first blend some spices which we will need in the preparation of our curries. We usually at the restaurant used to make 2 kilos of this spice at a time, but you know, smaller quantities. So we're going to use 2 teaspoons of turmeric, 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of cumin and 1 teaspoon of coriander. Mix that all together, and this is what we're going to use when we make our curries. So this is the first stage of our spice mix, what we would need. Now we're going to do our prep. We have to get garlic and ginger ready for our gravy and our chicken and so on. So first peel the ginger. So you use a spoon, you have less wastage that way, and just scrape it, the skin off like you see. Blend that with some water and a little bit of oil. The oil will stop the product going green. So basically blend it all into a smooth paste and keep aside. We're going to make 2 types of onion today to save time when we cook our curries. This is the Dupiaza onion, which we will use in jal fries and Dupiazas, and this is the Bhuna onion, which we will use in Bhuna, Korea, masalas and other curries. So basically put water about 2 centimeters below the onions, and then add oil on top to bring it to the same level as the onions. Then we're going to add different spices to these and pre-cook them, so it will save the cooking process when we make our curries. To our onions we'll add salt. There's 3 types of onions we will need for our curries. That's Bhuna onions, Dupiaza onions, and another one is bolty onions. They're smaller pieces, but I haven't done it at this stage. I will show you how to do that later when I'm doing my bolties. So add the turmeric and coriander powder, and also cumin powder we have to add as well, and paprika, and also some onion seed. After adding the paprika, we're going to cook these onions very short time. The Dupiaza onions we're going to just bring to the boil, cook for about a minute and take off. And the Bhuna onions we're going to bring to the boil and cook for 10 minutes. This will save a lot of time when we are cooking our curries, like the Dupiaza, Bhuna, jal fries and so on. Right, once the onions have come to the boil, I want you to cook the Dupiaza onion for a minute and the Bhuna onion for 10 minutes, and that's our onions done. So take them off the cooker and just let them cool down. This is one of the first stages we have to do our prep before we can start to cook our restaurant style curries. We will be cooking those after you've mastered the base gravy, the prep and so on. It's very important you do all these stages first, because when I start cooking I'm going to cook my curries very quickly, normally within 5 minutes or so. So you have all different curries cooked in 5 to 10 minutes. So that's it. That's the first stage of our prep, and hopefully I shall be doing different videos showing how to cook different curries. So well, there you go.